Today, we're going to make these absolutely nutritious and delicious zucchini and carrot scones, as I call them. You could also call them zucchini and carrot patties or zucchini and carrot biscuits. I still have not figured out what to call them, so do leave me a comment letting me know what you think the appropriate name should be. These scones have helped me keep my blood sugar levels low by helping me curb my hunger and cravings for British scones and American biscuits throughout my journey. It is nutrient dense, packed with so many vitamins and minerals great for your body. Let's get started. We will need 3 large zucchini grated. We would also need 1 large carrot grated as well, 2 large eggs, half cup Parmesan cheese. Any powdered cheese of choice can be used, 1 cup almond flour, seasoning to taste. I decided to use 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, some black pepper seasoning, and some turmeric seasoning. But any seasoning of choice could be used. I began by grating the zucchini and the carrots. I just wanted to show you how and what size that I use to grate the zucchini and the carrots. It really doesn't matter which grater you use, as long as the grated zucchini and carrots are small enough that they can bond together. During the process of grating, the handle of my grater broke, so I was struggling a bit with the latter part of grating. I used the same grating size for both the zucchini and the carrots. Because it's really bad. Whoa, whoa, wow, Put it all in a bowl and combine evenly. I went ahead to squeeze the extra fluid out of the zucchini and the carrots, as we do not want our scones to be too soggy. You could use your hands, I used my hands, or you could use a clean washcloth or any clean cloth. You put the zucchini and the carrots in there and you squeeze the liquid out. I usually do not throw the liquid away. I use it to prepare a sauce, a stew, or add it to any vegetable soup of choice, as the liquid contains much of the needed nutrients as well. Zucchini is a versatile squash, rich in several vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. It contains small amounts of iron, calcium, zinc, and several other B vitamins. Its ample vitamin A content may support your vision and immune system. In my research, I found out that cooked zucchini is particularly high in vitamin A, even though zucchini, when cooked, has a slightly reduced amount of vitamin C, because vitamin C's potency reduces when the vegetable is cooked. Zucchinis are high in antioxidants. They contribute to healthy digestion. They may reduce blood sugar levels. They may improve heart health. They may strengthen your vision. They may aid weight loss. They improve bone health. They have anti-cancer properties. They support a healthy prostate and thyroid function. Mix your dry ingredients and set aside. Break both eggs into your zucchini and carrot mix and combine. When you're done, pour in your dry ingredients and combine thoroughly. Carrots may help promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer, regulate blood pressure, reduce heart disease, improve immunity, and boost brain health. You won't regret incorporating more of these vegetables into your diet. Spray your pan with olive oil spray or any grease spray of choice. And don't forget to set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. With my hands, I mold and shape the zucchini and carrot dough into 1/2 inch by 3 inch scones or biscuits. This quantity usually makes about 10 zucchini and carrot biscuit or scones. If you have been following this channel, you would notice that many of the things that I use to prepare my meals always have nutrients that help improve eyesight. Just in case you were wondering why, the reason is I found out that amongst other things, diabetes affects your eyesight. Blurred vision or fluctuating eyesight clarity is often one of the first noticeable signs that diabetes has begun affecting your eyes. And since I wanted to eat things that would reverse any damage diabetes had caused to any part of my body, in my journey, I chose to intentionally incorporate foods that improve vision, among other things. That way, if even there was ongoing damage, those nutrient-dense foods would help rectify the damage or help curb the problem. Bake your scones for 15 to 20 minutes or until cooked to preference. This batch that I made browned a little bit more than I would typically want it, but would you look at that? And just like that, you are done. Enjoy these scones with your juice or your tea, with a salad or your chicken, or simply enjoy it just as is. Either way, it is simply delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope that you would try it. If you did enjoy this recipe, do well to give me a thumbs up And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet and join the family. Until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.